MCHI is a destination to search for your dream home, a place to get acquainted with new offers, schemes and new launches. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka और मैं आपको ले आई हूँ MCHI क्रोडाई प्रॉपर्टी 2015 एग्जीबिशन में। जैसे कि आज दूसरा दिन है एग्जीबिशन का, I could see there are 400 plus properties and 60 plus developers who have participated here. You need to come visit here, explore this exhibition and then you can own your own dream house. So please come and let's follow me. I'll keep you updating about the event activity today. Come follow me. At the stall of Rajesh Life Spaces, in conversation with Mr. Vishal Doshi, Vice President, Sales and Marketing. Hello, welcome to the show, sir. As I see, you have displayed a lot of projects here. Why do you think a builder should participate in such exhibition?
It brings all the people in under one roof. 25 to 30,000 families visits each and every year. So it's a common platform for a buyer to have look at different options available in the city. So we should participate.
So are you offering any financial offer here or some other scheme, lucrative scheme to this customers?
We are offering a subvention scheme in a couple of our projects. 25-75 is the flavor of the season, so we are offering in one of the projects.
What are your expectations from this exhibition?
Sales, of course. Our expectations are that we get quality footfall and we generate sales in it.
Does this inquiries which falls up gets converted later post exhibition?
It does. Some inquiries we have seen, some inquiries getting converted next 2 to 3 months as well. So it depends on what type of product are you offering, and then the client have a look at the product and then they buy it.
What is the major demand you see in the market? Is it for the luxury segment or for the affordable housing?
Currently, if you see, the major demand is for an affordable housing, which is there always. But we are also seeing luxury demand, a niche class looking for properties.
What is the upcoming project with Rajesh Life Spaces?
We are doing a huge media campaign for one of our property in Powai, which is now almost ready with some offers. We are also coming up with 2 projects in Thane. Nandivli is already running, Malad is already running.
Last but not the least, would you like to say something to our viewers who are watching you right now to come and see at your exhibition?
Of course, please come, and the only thing, if you have money, this is the correct time to buy.
Thank you so much for sharing it. As Mr. Doshi said, if you have money, this is the right time to invest. So don't wait, come at an exhibition, come at Rajesh Life Spaces stall and experience their projects and do export their properties as well. Thank you. At the stall of Yehumari, and I'm going to speak to Mr. Patish Mewani, and let's get acquainted about his offers and scheme today. Hello, welcome to the show. Firstly, I can see the new concept, the new innovation called Take 5. What is this? Can you please elaborate this?
So the idea was to catch all the audience who would be, we are targeting a segment of middle class and low middle class. And Dekbhai as a concept has been quite upbeat and quite new. So we wanted to target it and to leave an impression in our customers' mind so that they can relate it to KMani Group and the new project that we have launched, KMani Uptown. So for that we planned something related to Dekbhai campaign for the whole project of KMani Uptown.
How is the response you are getting for this campaign?
Response has been significant. After the launch, we have got more than 2,000 plus walk-ins on the site, and we already sold 200-250 plus flats on site. So the response has been quite overwhelming, and people have been liking the concept also, the project and the planning and everything.
Why do you think the customer should invest in your property?
The reason I would say it will be threefold. One being accessibility-wise, the Kandivali project which we have launched, it's quite nearer to highway and station. Second, the planning of the project and the amenities that we are giving is far better for 1 BHK than any other project. The whole project has only 708 1 BHK flats. It's a very unique feature that there's no 1 BHK flats available in Kandivali East. So we targeted that. And the third feature is pricing. The pricing that we are quoting right now 9,550 is quite low. Like 60 lakh rupees for a 1 BHK flat is the rock bottom price that is available. In Mumbai, if you want to buy a 1 BHK flat, we targeted all these things, and on basis of that we are getting such a good response.
And how is the response you are getting here at an exhibition?
Oh yeah, like you're seeing, all the tables are completely full right now. We are actually planning the Saturday and Sunday what we'll do, because we need more tables and we will need more sales guys, because the response like you are seeing is overwhelming. Not only for this side but also for the other side that we are having, we are getting a very good response.
Did you get any conversion today?
Conversions up till now, yeah, people have been interested. We have actually managed on site visit also from here. So people who are interested in going for the site, we manage vehicles for them. So people are going on there, conversion might be happening over there. We get the review at the end of the day.
Any special message you would like to give to the audience who are watching right now?
Yeah, people who are interested in buying a home for themselves, a 1 BHK flat. This is actually KMR Uptown is a 100-acre plus township project. So buying a dream home in Kandivali in Mumbai at such a rock bottom price is a very rare opportunity. We are increasing the prices after the MCHI exhibition. So grab the opportunity. We also have a special offer during MCHI period. So I think that will be helping the customers to buy the dream.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable input with us. We wish you all the best for your exhibition. As Mr. Pradesh said, grab the offer before they increase the price. So don't wait, come to this MCHI exhibition 2015 at BKC. And Kunteja Saul in conversation with Rashmi Shetty, who's heading sales here. Hello and welcome to this campaign. Tell us how is the response so far at this exhibition?
The response is just getting better and better. So we are getting good customers because we have come up with new projects launches. One is in Kandivali East, Kandivali Village. And we have coming up with affordable homes in Alwar as Vindecha Woods.
What were the major inquiries you received? Is it for the luxury segment or for the affordable housing?
We have more of affordable housing, like for 1 room kitchen, 1 BHK, small budget houses. We are having response from that.
Smart city is much in talk. Do you think which area should be converted into smart
I
city?
think so. Palghar is coming up and it is getting converted into a smart city. But slow and steady wins the race, so that's how it's happening.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable input. We wish you all the best for your exhibition. At the stall of Ahuja Construction, in conversation with Mr. Homi Misri. Hello and welcome to the show. As I see, you have got a lot of projects to display today. Can you give us a little brief about some of your projects and some schemes and offers which you have introduced today?
We have 3-4 projects currently. One is at Ambernath, which is a prime project called Rasada. Another is at Koshiwara, that's at Damur, that's a project called Damur. The primest one is Ahuja Towers, that's at Holi. You can call it Upper Prabhadari. This is our most important project. And another, you can say, a jewel in the crown for Ahuja. Ahuja is into business since last 3 decades. And we have got more than 100 projects in our kitty till date. And these are the most active projects you can say for Mumbai region. We are also having upcoming projects at Sion, which is called as O2. And the other project is Lotus, that is at Lower Parel, which is called Upper Worli. These are the main things which I say in Ahuja's kitty at present. For 2015-2016, our game plan is to start with these projects in a big way and have our OCs completed for you can say 2 of the most the CC to be taken for the 2 most dynamic projects, that is Sion O2.
Do we get good amount of inquiries and conversions here at this exhibition?
Inquiries, yes. Conversions depends. Conversions we'll see after 1 week. You can ask me this question.
Do you have NRI database with you? If no, then what are your strategies to target NRI market?
Yeah. We have a NRI database. Our 40%, 50% businesses are already from NRI market, especially GCC countries.
What do you think? What is one thing which attracts this customer or say property buyers?
Quality. It's a quality product. All the name stands for quality.
When you say quality, what is the specific thing they look into the project? Is it the amenities or just the look of the project?
Yeah. Look and feel of the project is one, but the quality of construction is always one of the very higher ones. In case of Ahuja Towers itself, we have got the #1 interior architect, which is going to complete you can say the layouts. Quite different based company we are. We believe in giving a quality conscious product to our customer. Whether it is in Prasadam, which is of a size of 20 lakhs or if it is a 32 crore size, that is Ahuja Towers.
The way the prices are increasing for these properties, do you think there is a need for correction in this?
Correction is already happened. Correction is already over. Now the time for consolidation is there. Yes, consolidation will happen. At certain levels, yes, there is going to be a consolidation, but not much. Depends upon the Modi government strategies. It also depends upon how well the market is connected to the government's feelings on various developments, which is called maybe a redevelopment project or an FDI issue or even for projects which are near to the sea lines, which is in consideration for us to government.
As we see in abroad, most of the cities in the Middle East, there are properties, residential and commercial in the middle of the seas also. Whereas in Mumbai, it's been said you need to be away 500 meters. Do you think that concept
We are way away. We are way away than any other city in the world. It's different, but we are the best. Mumbai is the best compared to other cities in India.
No, but then it is said that there is a scarce of land here. So why not we go something when one option is available, then why not explore it?
Options available, but first we got enough of options available in Mumbai city itself on redevelopment basis. There are so many buildings which are still required to be redeveloped. Therefore, government opens up the policy of redevelopment, it's enough for us. Why will go to see when the land is available?
I just saw a very inspiring conversation with Mr. Vikas Chopra. Hello and welcome to the show. As I see you have displayed a Noida property here in Mumbai, what made you come and participate at MCHI?
It's the first time that we are exhibiting over here in MCHI. We wanted to have a presence front in Mumbai also because there are a lot of investors over here who are investing in Delhi, Gurgaon region and NCR. So we wanted to have some of the investors come and invest in Mumbai.
How is NCR region doing in the property sector?
NCR region has seen a little bit of slug in the last 2 years, but last 4-5 months there has been an upswing in the market. Sales have improved, revenues have started picking up.
What kind of property do you demand? Do you see any investor from outskirts or from the other state of the country?
Well, we have seen a lot of migration from the NRI market, from where Sharjah, Singapore people have started investing in. So we want to, probably look at opening up newer avenues, newer channels, newer markets. So Kuwait, Muscat, Oman, Singapore, Dubai, and Mumbai, of course. We are looking at it. Bangalore also we are looking at having the markets.
As you mentioned that you will come up with a township plan. Can you give us a little brief about that?
It's an integrated township of about 152-acre land, whereby we have a mixed use of residential and commercial. And it is a blend of residential and commercial whereby 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK apartments are there, and a lot of variations and a bouquet of products in commercial.
And if we talk about the price, as you know, Mumbai is like highly priced in property segment. How is it in NCR?
In NCR region, Noida, where Wave Infotech is goes, we are very competitive in the market. We have a range of almost from 8,000 square feet onwards to about 15,000 square feet, and some very high-end properties for about 25,000 square feet also. So it's a whole bouquet of products that we are offering. So it is dependent on each and every individual who is looking in for a residential or commercial. We have a variety of products to offer.
Last but not the least, we would like to say something to the audience who will come at your exhibition and experience your property display.
I would say come and join the Wave family and you will make multi-millions.
Thank you so much for sharing your time with us. We wish you all the best for your exhibition. At the Saurabh Kabra Group, and we are going to speak to Mr. Dinesh Mane, who's going to share the experience at exhibition today. Hello and welcome to the show. Tell us how the exhibitions are going on.
So this is the first day of MCHR today. So still, though it is a working day, we have a good rush over here. And hope that on Saturday, Sundays, there will be a good response we will be getting over here.
You get kind of expected inquiries for your project, and also those inquiries get converted post this exhibition.
Yeah, so far means we have got conversions, so that's why we are over here in Manchester. It is a very good platform for any of the projects. So we have lots of projects if you see in some of our launching soon we are, and many are in under construction also and ready position also. We have all the categories projects here.
What is the major demand you see? Is it for the luxury segment or for the affordable housing?
Affordable.
Do you have anything to offer in the affordable segment?
The affordable bed means 2.5 CR and for 2 BHK that kind of range people are expecting, and here there is a demand this kind of, so we are getting a good response.
Any special offers King Cabra will offer today?
Not yet. Not yet.
I think exhibitions people look for this offers and schemes, so one should at least they get lured by this such offers. So why Cabra doesn't no offer with Cabra?
We have many of the we have ready position projects. So there are very few projects in which the people gets in the ready positions, and that too with the OCs, occupation certificate. So we have that kind of project in our hands, and very few on the under construction.
अभी हमारे साथ है विजिटर मिस्टर सचिन जी। आइए इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं इन्होंने इस एग्जीबिशन में क्या क्या देखा है और कुछ प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्टमेंट करने वाले हैं या नहीं। आइए सचिन जी, जैसे कि आपने इस एग्जीबिशन में आके काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जानकारी ली है, तो कौन सी प्रोजेक्ट आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है?
See, there are many projects which are coming out. So right now I'm totally confused कि कौन सा project और कैसे उसको bifurcate करें. You go home, relax, sleep over all the catalogs and then decide, because I'm looking out for something in the western suburbs.
Western suburb. So when you say western suburb, is it the luxury segment you want to invest
No,
into?
not into the luxury segment, but the 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs which are all available in a good locality. I can't say peaceful because western is not at all peaceful.
So when you say investment into property, is the exhibition a right place to look for a dream home?
Yeah, it is. But I don't see that kind of hype this year as it was in the last year.
Does this clutter doesn't confuse you of multiple properties at one
No,
time?
if I am clear about what I want to go for, it's very much easy for me and I have lot many options.
So how many properties you have currently with you?
I will have to just count. I don't know.
Okay, last but not the least, there is a channel which is dedicated for real estate industry. So do you think this was the need of an hour and this will anyway help you in buying and searching a property?
Yes, if it is, the channel is giving the right information and giving me the complete information of the properties available, it will be a good thing. And I heard about this channel for the first time. It's a good thing to go ahead for. Thanks.
अभी हम हैं ICICI के स्टॉल पर और बात करें जाना विजय भट्ट से। आइए इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि उनके लिए कोई स्कीम है या नहीं। हेलो मैम, जैसे कि प्रॉपर्टी एग्जीबिशन में आपने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया है, तो किस तरह का आज आपने ऑफर या कोई स्कीम रखा है इनके लिए?
फिलहाल हमारा कोई स्पेशल ऑफर यानी हमारे जो रेट्स ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं वो बेस्ट ही है. सो वी ऑलरेडी आर गिविंग द मोस्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव रेट्स इन द मार्केट, सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गिविंग टू आवर कस्टमर्स एट MCHI also.
And what kind of inquiries you receive from these customers when they think to buy their property?
In MCHI particularly, we get customers who are looking for, who are finalizing properties, so their properties are not identified, and they generally want to know whether they are eligible for the loan and what will be the costing. And the second type of people that visit us is the people who are brokers, who want to deal with us because they would have some clients who would be looking for properties and they could take the loans through us.
So, what is the checklist one should go through before investing in the property?
Checklist for the property, basically it all depends on what is the client's requirements, but mainly they would look at the pricing, the other extra cost, and how it is vis-a-vis the other properties which are ready in the market. That is what generally the clients look for.
Now there are so much of lucrative offers in the market in terms of financing and loans and schemes. So do you think one should go through proper criteria of investing in the property, or they get lured by this offer? What is your opinion about this?
They should take a wise decision and generally should go through banks or institutions which are there in the country for a longer time and who have a long standing, because there could be some offers that could come temporarily, but on a long term if they have to look at the same, it may not be as lucrative. So people who give standard offers, who don't do anything special just for this particular MCHI, or I think those are more standard offers for the customers, and they should go for those banks or institutions.
Nowadays we've been learning that if the projects are financed by certain private banks, so it's a safe investment. Is that the concept, the trend in the market is correct?
Yeah, that is correct, because when a finance company or a private bank would do any kind of construction funding, they would have done their due diligence. They would have checked the legal, technical, because without checking that, they would have not funded the project. Which means at least a certainty of 90 to 95%, depending on the institution we are talking about, the project is safe for funding for the institutions, and that's why it's safe for the customers also to go ahead for those projects.
आज हमारे दूसरे दिन का सफर यहीं खत्म होता है। जैसे आपने देखा MCHI प्रॉपर्टी एग्जीबिशन में काफ़ी डेवलपर्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, लाइक एक्टिव हाउसिंग, राजेश लाइफ स्पेसेस, निर्मल लाइफस्टाइल एंड मेनी मोर। आप भी आइए, इस एग्जीबिशन को एक्सप्लोर कीजिए, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑफर्स और स्कीम्स हैं। आई एम श्योर आपको भी ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ पसंद आएगा। मैं आपको कल फिर यहीं मिलूंगी इसी एपिसोड में, और आपको तीसरे दिन की सारी अपडेट्स ज़रूर बताऊंगी। आप बने रहिए स्पिन टीवी के साथ और देखते रहिए